In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Metatrader 5 app. Right up front, here's the short answer. You can't change the time zone in the Metatrader 5 mobile app, whether you're on Android or iPhone. The app's clock is tied to your broker's server time, and that setting is automatic and locked. Even if you open the app and head into settings, you won't find any time zone option. That's by design. So what time does the app actually use? Every chart and timestamp you see in MT5 reflects your broker's server time, not your phone's local time. For example, if your phone is on GMT plus 8 and your broker runs servers on GMT plus 2 or GMT plus 3, the candles and market watch will still follow the broker's time. Different brokers can use different server time zones, and some shift between GMT plus 2 and GMT plus 3 during daylight saving. If your daily candle closes at what feels like an odd hour locally, that's not a bug, it's simply the broker's clock. Since you can't change the time zone in the app, here are two practical workarounds. First, the quick method. Adjust mentally. Figure out the offset between your local time and the broker's server time. As an example, if the broker is on GMT plus 3 and you're on GMT plus 8, you add 5 hours to convert server time to your local time. If it's 10 o'clock on the chart, that corresponds to 15 o'clock locally. If you need the reverse, local to server, subtract 5. Keep an eye on seasonal changes if your broker observes daylight saving, as the offset can shift by 1 hour. Second, for a more advanced approach, use an MT5 indicator that displays clocks and trading sessions. A time or session indicator can show your local time alongside key market sessions like London and New York, so you don't have to do the math in your head every time. Simply search for an MT5 time zone or session indicator and choose one that suits your needs. An important tip before we wrap up: always follow broker server time for key trading decisions. Daily candle closes, session opens and closes, and scheduled news events are aligned to the broker's clock. MT5 executes and timestamps everything according to server time, so plan your strategies, alerts, and risk management around that reference. To recap, you can't change the MT5 mobile time zone because it's fixed to your broker's server. Use a mental offset for quick checks or add a time session indicator for a clearer view. That way, your trading stays in sync with how the platform actually operates.